Hi, we're at week 11. So this week we're going to learn about Medicare, Medicaid, and CHIP. These programs are covered throughout the course of your education. And the reason we talk about this, the federal government is a primary funder of these programs. So it is essential that you know what they are, how they operate, and what benefits are covered. The federal government has an extensive fraud and abuse initiatives to detect incidents of fraud in Medicare services. So they have contracted with the private companies called RACs, R-A-C, small s. And these RACs mean Recovery Audit Contractors. And their purpose is to monitor for incidents of improper payment to Medicare or by Medicare to persons who submit claim. So facilities are under a watchful eye by many. So as you learn about Medicare, Medicaid, and CHIP, just know Medicare is a large part of funding by the federal government, and the federal government takes it very seriously to detect incidents of when Medicare may be cheated. The second part of this week is also important. We're going to talk about managed care organizations. Managed care evolved several years ago as a strategy to help control rising healthcare cost. When it first came out, it got a lot of bad press. Got a little good press, but mostly bad press. Of course, they made movies about horrible HMOs and how they mistreated people. But they have evolved since then, and there are many models of managed care organizations today that a person can choose from. If you do belong to a managed care organization or an MCO, it's always important for the person to know what is covered and what is not covered because it affects payment. So usually if one goes out of network, which means if one does not use the providers provided by that managed care organization, the resulting cost to the consumer is quite high. So the second part of this, they're going to talk about the different models of managed care organizations and a little bit about how they work. You'll learn more about managed care, Medicare and Medicaid fraud and abuse in your reimbursement methods course as a second-year student. This is a really informative unit, so be sure to pay attention. And as always, we're week 11. Again, we're on the downhill side. Next week we'll be 3/4 of the way through the course. So you have a good week. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.